Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to do AI voiceover for your presentations. Uh, we've been working on presentations on an innovation for the last week, and the next week what we're going to do is we're going to actually get a robot to present for us because sometimes we have anxiety and we don't want to do a presentation ourselves. Maybe it's embarrassing, so it'd be cool to learn how to get a robot to do it for us. So I've actually got Eddie's video or presentation here. He's presenting on game monetization and pay to win. And before he starts, he's really got to make sure that these are all done, because we wouldn't want to get the voiceover done and then fix it because we'd have to go backwards. So for example, maybe I'll tell Eddie that we should capitalize why does microtransactions matter here. And a few things, but mostly we're ready to go. Okay, so I'm going to make the actual movie in a program called Clipchamp. So Clipchamp is located under our Windows icon right here, and we should just type Clipchamp. It might ask you to log in with your Lakehead Schools ID. I think I've logged in, so we've already done it. So I'm just going to click blank video when I'm in here, and it's totally empty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my slides from PowerPoint and bring them in, and I'm going to do that sort of an easy way. I bet you there's another way to do it. I bet you I can import them, but I'm going to do it sort of an easier way with with a snipper tool. So what I want to do is take a picture of this slide. So I'm going to go again to the start menu, and I'm going to go snip because I need the snipping tool, and it's going to pop up like this, and it says, well, what do you want me to take a picture of? And I'm not going to show you how to do it, but you could actually take a video. So if, for example, your slides move and stuff, you could do a video, or if there's an animated GIF, but we'll just do a picture for now. So let's do the starting one. If I hit new, it's going to say, well, what do you want a picture of? So I'm going to hit new, and I want a picture of here, right? So I want a picture of the first thing, and if I let go, it says, okay, well, that's the picture. And I could hit copy, but it copies automatically. So really, all I need to do is go into Clipchamp and hit paste. I can right click and hit paste. There we go. And so we see we have a timeline here, right? That's a couple seconds of Eddie's intro thing. Now what I want to do is I want to add some voice. So if Eddie was presenting this, Eddie would say, hi, I'm Eddie. I'm presenting on game monetization. But since we're going to use an AI voiceover, what we can do is we can go record and create, and we can go text to speech right here. It's pretty cool. So we'll do it real simple. We can select the language. If he wants to present in Japanese, he can, and he can select different people. So let's go with Christopher. Christopher is deep and warm. That's interesting. Actually, maybe let's go with Arabella. She's cheerful and friendly. So, hi, my name is Eddie, and today we are going to present on, actually, let's do this for real because there's two people in this one. So let's go, hi, my name is Eddie, right? And I'm going to go, hey, save. And when we save, notice it takes a few seconds, and what it's doing is it's calculating how long it's going to be. So you see how the audio goes to here, and then there's time, and then it's blank here. So I'm going to go,
Hi, my name is Eddie.
right? And then what we want to do is actually we want to do another text-to-speech right here. I think, can I just go? I think I can just go. I'm going to go record and create text-to-speech and do another blank one. And that's my new text-to-speech, and that's going to be, because there's two people in this group, and my name is Kale. Right, so Kale speaks in a different language. Kale speaks like Adam. So we hit save. Okay, and then we're going to say import media. We'll do another record text-to-speech. And we're going to present on Okay, so it actually has two voices because there's two people presenting. Now notice the voice actually goes longer. So the screen continues, but the voice goes longer. So what I should do is I should click on this and extend it to the end of the voice. Awesome. So now let's get the second one because they would go to the next slide here. So I'm going to minimize this and I'm going to go back to Eddie's thing, and now he's going to talk about what is microtransactions. So let's go back to the snip tool, or actually I have it already selected, and I'm just going to hit new, and I'm going to select the next one. Okay, I hit let go. I can go copy, I go back to here, and I click right after, and if I hit paste, I've got that. Pretty cool. So now again, I'm going to go back to record and create, back to text and speech, and maybe the text here. So what's the stuff here? I actually should read it. Microtransactions, also called micropayments, is a business model for generating profit, where businesses take small amounts ranging from several cents. Actually, you don't want to just copy and paste it. So think about how you want to change it. He's done pretty good there, so I'll just use that as an example. So I might say that now we want it the same voice every time. So he did Arabella, and they'll switch from when Kale's talking to Eddie. I'll hit save. And it'll do the thing. Now you don't have speakers on your computers, so I have some microphones and headphones at the front of the computer. They're red headphones, so you'll be able to hear it. And I can make this a little bit bigger. And there's a lot of effects I can do in here. So for example, if I go to transitions, I can make fades. I can swipe in between. So for example, if I wanted to start with like a star wipe, we'll see that it does that. I'll do a star wipe between this and this. Hard wipe left. And I put it right in between. You'll see that it goes like that. So let's play it and see what it looks like. And we'll go over here and let's just hit play. Where's the play button? Right here in this.
Hi, my name is Eddie.
And my name is Kale. And we're going to present on the pay-to-win model.
Microtransactions, also called micropayments, is a business model for generating profit where businesses take a small amount ranging from several cents to a few dollars as the price.
Okay, so that's how, instead of presenting yourself, you can hand in an MP4 to your teacher. And I think most teachers, even computer teachers, would think this would be pretty cool in a way to present without getting in front of the class. Now, we actually have to hand this in, so what we're going to do is we're going to go export. I'm gonna make it smaller. Like we could do 1080p, but that's a lot of quality and take a lot of time. I'm gonna go export. That's gonna go to my OneDrive, which it should work. If it doesn't work, I can change location and actually put it on the computer. Okay, but we'll go with that. I'll hit export, and we're gonna give it some time. Because it was so quick, it happened really quick. Open file location. And this one appeared in my OneDrive. It doesn't have to. You can put it on your computer, and you would hand this into Edsby. So you might share it with me here. Let's click on it and see what it looks like.
Hi, my name is Eddie.
And my name is Kale.
And I got the
and
video.
We're going to present on the pay-to-win model.
Close it. Try and select some good voices, and let's see if we can make something cool.